Hi, I'm Leiza, and welcome to The Week That Was, a 60-second look at what happened this past week at SJIIES. Start the clock. Monday started with our weekly morning assembly. The virtue of the week, courtesy. Prep 1s had a soft entry point for their unit, About Me, and Monday saw a week of cognitive ability testing, otherwise known as Cat 4, start throughout the school. Tuesday, the ever-popular middle year assembly, hosted by Mrs. Humphrey, was back. Focus this week was on getting ready for the year ahead. Wednesday, Cat 4 testing continued. On Thursday evening, there was a year ahead for all the early years team and parents. Friday started with Mass in the morning, and then once again finished with our whole school assembly. That afternoon, Friday was also the start of our first ever ESTV collaborative program with the high school, which involves students from the grade 9 service program. On behalf of the Week That Was team, I'm Leiza, and we'll see you again next week.